Hi, I'm Ricardo Garcia.
I'm Dr. Alireza Mohammadi.
And I'm Wenceslao. We're mechanical engineers here from the University of Melbourne, and today I'm going to tell you about our latest research on this. For the past year and a half, our team has been researching robotic prosthetics that could one day return movement and the sense of touch to those who have lost limbs. Basically, we've been looking at how robotics techniques can be used to improve today's prosthetic hands. We're developing several approaches to improve the current technology. Firstly, we're looking at using 3D printing with existing hand designs. Then we're using our engineering background to try and improve on these designs.
The prototype hands needs to be robust to the forces, yet capable of grasping objects.
Our second approach is related to reading signals from the brain to increase how many commands a person can send to the hand. We're dealing with one of the biggest issues in prosthetics, how to get more reliable commands from the person to control the hand. One approach is to use muscles 3D printed onto microchips to allow communication between the limb and the electrodes, allowing the messages to pass from the brain directly to the robotic machinery. We essentially want to connect nerves and muscles to our electronics to read brain signals. We hope this will assist in the connection of muscle-based movement with mechanical, that is robotic movement, and also return sensation back to the person. Another approach is to build algorithms that decode signals from the brain and use them to operate the technology. The idea is to get the commands directly from the source, the brain. This would provide another means of getting commands from the person to better control the hand.
Here is one of our robotic arm platforms, and this is how we test our development. I have some sensors here so we can play rock, paper, scissors with our robotic hand. So we can move from paper to scissors, and you can see how the hand, is going now. There we go.
We are also attempting to provide a dexterous ability that is currently not possible on today's prosthetic hands, the ability to manipulate objects. The ability to manipulate objects is a key ability we exploit in our everyday lives. We write, tie our shoelaces, use utensils. These are just a few examples of how we've learned to move our muscles to move objects. We are now working on ways to combine a sense of intelligence on the hand to help someone reach this level of dexterity. This would let the robot do the complicated tasks of moving the hand, while the human focuses on the object they want to move.
We hope potentially people who have lost a limb will one day feel some sensation to the hand,
as well as the ability to manipulate objects.
It's only a matter of time before man and machine become compatible.